Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Naina Izzati binti Abdullah. For this training, I selected the topic pre-arrival interview question training, which is highly relevant in the hospitality industry. Before attending an interview, hospitality job candidates must be well prepared because the industry value communication, professionalism, politeness, and confidence. In my session, I will be using two training methods, lecture and roleplay. The lecture method helps me to explain the important interview concept and the common pre-arrival question. These provide knowledge and understanding for the trainee. After that, I will use the roleplay method where the trainee and trainer act out of a real-life interview scene. This method allows the trainee to practice the interview in a realistic way. Combining the lecture and roleplay is very effective because the lecture gives the information and roleplay gives the experience. This combination makes the training clearer, more interactive, and more meaningful for its hospitality learners. The objective of my training are focused on preparing the trainee for hospitality job interview. First, the trainee will understand what interview expect before they even arrive at the hotel or workplace. Pre-arrival question are used to test the candidate prepare and attitude. Next, the trainee will learn how to give a structured and confident interview answer. Many people answer in interview in a messy or unclear way. So this training will teach them to answer in a professional manner. Another objective is to improve the communication and confidence. Hospitality jobs require clear speaking skills, calm tone, and professional behavior, especially when dealing with the guests or interviewers. Most importantly, the trainee will apply everything they learn through the roleplay, which makes the learner active and practical. Roleplay helps the trainee to practice a real situation, improve their speaking style and body language, and build confidence for a future interview. For this training, I'm using two methods, lecture and roleplay. I start with the lecture method. In this part, I explain technical information such as the meaning of the pre-arrival interview question. For example, the common question and how to answer professionally. This method is straightforward and it helps the trainee to understand the basic knowledge before practicing. After the lecture, I move to the roleplay method, which forms the practical part of my training. A roleplay lets the trainee act as a candidate while I act as the interviewer. It creates the realistic environment without any real pressure. The benefit of this method is that the trainee can practice speaking, voice tone, confidence, and problem solving. If mistakes happen, I can correct them immediately. Together, lecture and roleplay create a complete learning experience, theory first, practice second. These are the common questions used during the pre-arrival interview in hospitality. This question help the interviewer judge whether the candidate is suitable for a frontline role. First question, tell me about yourself. Check the candidate's introduction skills. Why this job? Test their motivation. What do you know about our hotel? Check the research and preparation skills. Then, hospitality interview often include scenarios question like how do you handle this complaint or describe a challenge. These questions are important because customer service roles often deals with unexpected questions. Finally, do you prepare before arriving for this interview? Check if the candidate demonstrate professionalism. For example, checking the location, preparing a document, dressing, and arriving early. During my lecture, I explain how to answer this question properly. Later, during the roleplay, the trainee will practice answering them with the real communication. Good morning, thank you for contacting Hilton Kuala Lumpur. My name is Arina. How may I assist you today? Hi, I have a reservation for next week. I would like to discuss about a few things before I arrive. Oh, of course, I will happy to help. Could I have your reservation and name and confirmation number? My name is Ika and my confirmation number is 12345. I also want to ask about the room preference. Thank you, Miss Ika. May I know your expectation arrival time so we can ensure your room is ready? Are you arriving at 3 p.m? Perfect. Do you have any preference for your room, example bed type, floor or view? I prefer a high floor room with a city view and also a king size bed, please. Noted, we will make sure high floor king room with a city view is prepared for your stay. Do you have any diet nutrition or special requests? Oh, no diet nutrition, but I would love to have an extra pillow in my bed. Certainly, extra pillow will be arranged. Anything else that we can prepare to make your stay more comfortable? That's all, thank you. Thank you, Miss Ika. To summarize, you will arriving at 3 p.m. next week, staying in a high floor king room with a city view and extra pillow will be provided. Everything is noted and confirmed. We will look forward to welcoming you at Hilton Kuala Lumpur. There is anything else that I can assist you with today? No, that's perfect. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Have a wonderful day and we will see you next week. During this roleplay, the trainee must respond with a professional phone etiquette. That includes greeting the guest politely, listening carefully to her requests, repeating the details to confirm accuracy, and assuring the guest that will be hotel prepare everything accordingly. The trainee also needs to show problem-solving skills, for the example, by checking room availability or suggest alternative if needed. This scenario helps the trainee to practice clear communication, polite language, and confidence while handling pre-arrival phone call. These skills are very essential in hospitality industry because they create a positive first impression and help to ensure the guests feel welcome even before arriving at the hotel. To conclude my training, I would like to summarize the importance of using both lecture and roleplay methods. The lecture methods provide all the necessary information about the interview question, expectation, and communication guidelines. It helps trainees understand what they need to prepare before the interview. Then the roleplay method gives the trainee the chance to practice their knowledge in a realistic environment. This practice helps them to build confidence, improve their voice tone, and strengthen their problem-solving skills. In hospitality, communication and professionalism are very important because the staff represent the hotel even before the guests arrive. By combining lecture and roleplay, this method becomes practical, interactive, and effective. Thank you for watching my presentation.